G'day, hey, it's Paul here, back on the Cuppa T chat. I'm in the glass house at home. Just thought I'd show you this tomato here. Look at that. That's the rewards. I've put in the work in. And I was thinking, you know, people are real nervous about what's coming. In Dunedin, the property market's slowed down. A lot of people got finance problems. You know, a lot of people have been doing it hard with the COVID stuff. And the thing I see is the people that have put the work into working on the business are a lot calmer about stuff. They're seeing opportunities, and it's much like gardening. Now, I'm no gardening expert, but what I can tell you is the more you put in, the more you get out. And when I say the more you put in, it's about doing the right things. So you can work real hard in the garden and get nowhere. But what you need to do is be working hard in the garden, doing the right things. And it's much like your business. So it's been really interesting to watch these people that are experienced in business. And, you know, they're calm. They're calm because they know they've got things right. They know they've got their marketing right. And they know when things get tough, all the others will fall away, but they'll still be there taking advantage of opportunities. So anyway, that's my Cuppa T chat for the day. Tell you what though, I'd like to see your tomatoes. So if current record holder is old mate Murray Schofield. He posted a tomato the other day, big massive tomato, 471 grams. But anyway, the competition is hot. Tony Ross, want to see your tomatoes too. And yeah, cool. Anyway, that's my Cuppa T chat. See you guys later.